Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to draw a screenshot from Tower of God episode 10. So let's do this one together guys, let's go. Okay. As usual, I'm drawing the construction line first. The using pencil F thickness. I'm choosing a very centrical and very holistic screenshot that can show the main character, which is Bum. I think this is taken when Bum is about to face a challenge by himself, and he just revealed himself as an irregular. I'm not sure what that means though, but I really enjoy Tower of God because yeah, in the previous channel I was an anime reactor and I react to this anime and a lot of other type of animes, and Tower of God is one of my favorite anime because it's based on battle royale and a lot of other battle tournament that they need to go through to actually able to climb the tower. And I really love the main character because he is surprisingly powerful without letting anybody knows about him. And yeah, now I'm actually using pen. I and I try to be brave enough to use pen this time to ink up the line works so that when I put the color using color pencil, it will be much brighter. It's very scary to use the pen because once you make a mistake, that's it. You got to find a liquid paper, which I don't have currently, but luckily I don't make any mistake because I really use it very slowly. Okay, started to fill up the color pencil. Yeah, this one Bum is having a very serious look and very intense, ready to face his next heavy challenge. And I remember this the end of this episode that he is he is facing a very gigantic creature and only being shown on the screen, which is the creature's eyeball. Behind this door, well, that's the creature is staying. And now I'm actually, the screenshot of this episode is very flat, but I try to make the clothes has got more depth by creating those gradients and shades that shows the foldings of the jacket. Okay, yeah, the character is done. Like, it's one of the easiest character drawing that I've done. And also I use a lot of cutter to cut the pencils because there's a lot of flat colors here, so I don't want to put a lot of pressure on my hand, because if you draw a flat color it takes a long time to color. So I just use the pencil cutter to just fill up the colors using tissue paper. So yeah, this is the final product. What do you think about it? It's very simple, and I think this screenshot taken in around 20 minutes or so. So yeah, what do you guys think about it? So if you have any kind of comment or advices, you can put it in comment section below. And also if you have any kind of suggestion about anime characters that you would like me to draw, also please put in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So please don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much and see you guys next one.